to fill week-wise data in our LMS regarding whatever we have taught or assignments we have given during the semester. In this video, I will try my best to guide you regarding how to upload different resources and assignments in LMS. So first, when you log into your LMS account, no options for editing are visible. So first go to this option and turn on editing. Usually few weeks are already present in the LMS. However, you have to add on weeks as you proceed with the semester. And to do that, scroll to the end of your screen and select this option of adding weeks. It gives you an option about how many number you want to increase in weeks. You can increase 1 week, 2 weeks. It is according to your own desired allocation of assignments or tasks. I am adding just 1 week. The week appears at the bottom and it is according to the date of your assignment. If you think this date is wrong, you can click this option and edit the date. To start adding your resources or assignments, click this button. The first few options are regarding whether you want to give an assignment, whether you want to use big blue button, whether you want to chat with your students or discuss a topic with your students, and other similar options. If you scroll down further, you can see resources that you can give to your students. The resources include books, different files. It could be a Word document, it could be a PowerPoint presentation, or it could be a PDF. You can also create folders and add files in it. Further options are you can create a page and you can add a URL of a website or any video that you want to share with your students. Let's start with assignments. Click on assignment button, add. Here you can label your assignment's title. Here you can add description about the assignment if you don't want to share a file. For example, I already have a demo. I copied it and pasted it here. If you want all of this description to appear in the week-wise slot, you can click display description. If you don't want it, then you can keep it unchecked. Let's try by keeping it checked. If you don't want to display any description or add any description here, you can add the file directly here by clicking. Now these are the dates from where you can allow submission from today. Due date, you can set it as per your desire. Remind me to grade this particular assignment. You can also change this date as per your desire. Scroll down. Choose the file that you want the students to share with you. If you want the students to have freedom to share whether they want to upload a PDF file of their assignment, a PowerPoint, or any other, you can choose this option of all files. However, if you want the students to submit a Word document only, then select this option, scroll down, save changes. Now students can only upload a document file that is in Word format. save and return to the course. As you can see, the assignment is appearing over here. When the student clicks on this assignment, the student can see the description here, the document that you have shared with them. This is the data for you, that how many participants or students are enrolled in this course, how many submissions have been made, and how many needs grading, the due date and time remaining for submission. Now let's try uploading a file as a resource. I again went to this add activity or resource option, scroll down. Now I want to add a book. I clicked on the book, add. For adding a particular PDF here, you have to click on this option. Your book is added here. Now press this cross. If you want to add any description, you can, as we did for the assignment. If you want it to be displayed here, you can click it. Now save and return. Don't worry, the file will appear even though it is not showing in the above slot. This is your book that you just uploaded. If you want to upload a URL file, again go to resources, URL, add. I want to add this particular URL. I pasted the URL here. I titled it. Save and return. If you want to add a picture, file, add option. I titled it. Save and return. This is your picture file. However, if you want the picture to appear here as well, then I'll go edit. I have added the file here, but I will also add that particular file over here. Now click display. Now your picture is also appearing in your week wise slot. After you are done with all the data filling, you can go up, turn off your editing option. This is it.